And welcome back to our channel. So today we have our Christmas house tour. We thought we'd show you how we've transformed our house all ready for the festive season of Christmas. Okay, so this is our Christmas tree. We actually picked this tree up from the range, and to be honest, most of the baubles are from the range also, and B&M. I'll just point out a couple of my favourites because seriously they are so cute. Okay, so we picked this one up from the range. It actually came in a pack alongside this really nice one as well, which is also another one of my favourites. And then we picked up these from the pound shop. We thought these would look really cute in the tree, just to give it a bit more of colour, obviously because the tree is green. But yeah, we liked this kind of colour range because I feel like it's very classic and we love it. Okay, so this candle is actually from Primark. We actually picked this up a couple of years ago now, but I know they always bring in similar ones. So if you like the vanilla kind of scented candles, I would definitely go and check it out. So on the other side of the windowsill, we actually had this really cool candle. We picked this up from the range and it was so cheap. I think it was about £2, £3. And I just think the candle makes it look very pretty. And next to that, we've just paired it with the reindeer, which was from the pound shop. So it was only £1 and it's super cute. Okay, so in front of me, we bought this really cool gold tray, which we actually picked up from Primark, and it was only £2.50, so it was super affordable. And on top of that, we actually paired it with 2 candles. This big one we actually picked up from the range, and the smaller one we also picked up from the range. And this one was from the Primark. I just think it ties really well together and it just makes this plain white table very festive. Okay, so I like to call this our little cozy corner, just because I feel like nothing screams more than having a basket full of throws. So our basket is actually from B&M. And it was super affordable, and then inside we've just popped in 2 throws that are from Primark. Now if you haven't tried the Primark throws, you need to. They are super soft and super cozy. So we recently picked up this candle, which is actually from Primark, and it's in the scent nutmeg and, sorry, can we turn it on to me? Caramel. Oh, it smells insane. You guys really need to go and smell it. It's in the cutest little packaging as well. I wish we could have left that to show you guys, but it's just, it's insane. We also picked out another one which we'll show you throughout this home tour, but this one smells insane. This is my favourite one. And then alongside the candle, we thought we would pair this reindeer that we actually picked up from the range. Most of our decor in our house is actually from the range and Primark. Okay, so moving on to the kitchen. Okay, so of course we had to have another tree. This is actually our second tree, but this is one that we had last year, but we just felt like it wasn't doing bits for us, so we had to get another one. But of course we thought we won't just throw it away, we'll place it in the kitchen, which I think it looks so cute, and it just makes the kitchen such a cozy vibe. So yeah, so this is our Christmas tree. About what's happened to me from July up till now, don't know where, don't know how. Okay, so all of our Christmas decorations on here, besides these ones, are all from Wilkinson's, but we actually picked them up last year, but I'm pretty sure they'll probably have similar ones or the exact same ones this year. And also, if you're wondering where this tree is from, this one was from B&M. So this is our cute little cozy corner side. So we picked up this from B&M, which I absolutely love. This was $12.99 and it says, "Walking in a winter wonderland." Oh my god, I just love it so much. It's just so cute. And then on the other side, we just have our melter and just a tea light just burning there. That is from B&M, and that was, I'm pretty sure it was like $2.49. It's so cheap and so affordable. Okay, so on the table we have placed our second Christmas candle, which, oh my god, smells divine. So this is also from Primark, and this one is in the scent, but butterscotch. Butterscotch and cream. Oh my god, these smell absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal. You guys definitely need to go check it out. So, killed the Christmas vibe, I'm sorry. But yeah, you guys need to check these candles out. They are so cute and they smell so Christmassy. They were £3. Next to it, we've just placed one of these pots of Christmas festive acorns, berries. I just think it just looks so festive and I love it. These were £9.99, I believe. I think so. They're from B&M. Okay, so welcome to my cozy corner. So this tree, you could say it's another tree, I absolutely love. This is from B&M and we picked this up a couple of weeks ago. What I did, I absolutely love this. It was £12.99 and I just love the way this looks. I just thought, oh, this would be perfect for our kitchen. And we've just placed that with a candle. This is just a classic Primark one, clean cotton. And then we have another reindeer, which I absolutely love these reindeers. They're only £1 from the pound shop. They also do them in other animals. They also do them in stars as well. So we've said in previous videos, but definitely go and check out the Poundland Christmas selection. Okay, so welcome to our kitchen. So we didn't go all out with our kitchen because obviously there's not really that much that we could put here, but of course we had to add our little touch. So first up, I'm going to show you these cloths. These are microfiber cloths. We actually had these in a pack of 4. They also come with a white and I'm pretty sure a green, maybe a red. But of course I had to get the most Christmassy ones out and show for you guys to see. These are so cute. So we've got the little reindeer ones and also the Christmas trees and Christmas houses. Oh my god, I just love these. Over here we've just placed our new tea towels. These are also from Primark. I'm pretty sure they were £3. No more than £3. It also came in a pack of 4, so there are other ones if you guys want to switch them up as well and change them every week. Or you can just stick with the same ones and just wash them. But yeah, I absolutely love these ones. Of course I went for the classic red lover at heart. And also we just went with the snow and penguin ones, which are so cute. Okay, so this is my room. Come in. Okay, so this is my bedding. I actually picked this from Primark. It was very affordable, I think it was £15. I like that it's reversible as well, so you can just turn it over when you're bored of this side. But yeah, I'm very, very, very tempted to just do it. Lay down. No. On the other side of my bed, we actually have like a little chest of drawers set. That's my side of the bed. I have all like makeup bits and bobs in there. But on top of it, I've just popped a plant, which is from IKEA, and then a little candle I actually got for Christmas, and it smells insane. On these drawers, we actually have one side each. That side's my boyfriend's and this side's mine. What I really liked is I popped these cool white baskets on each side. And can you believe it? Look how many aftershaves he has. I also thought I'd pop this on display just because it's a Christmas scent. I actually have one more, which is cranberry, but I couldn't find it. So I thought I'd put these out. These are from Bath & Body Works, and to be honest I can't remember how much they were, but they were very affordable. And I just think they look cute on display. So I've just popped 2 candles either side. On the left side we have the marshmallow fireside, which smells insane, and on the right side, which is actually my favourite, we have champagne toast. Okay, so moving on to my bedroom. So I'm going to go on with my bed first because I absolutely love this bedding. So this is actually the reverse side to the one that you've just seen in Ayse's room. We both actually picked up the same bedding. I've gone for this side and she's gone for the other side, so it's something different. Oh my god, I love this so much. I think it's the nicest bedding ever. This was £15 from Primark, as Ayse mentioned, and I just love it so much. Moving on to my Christmas Lush collection. I'm a massive fan of Lush, and I love Snow Fairy. That's definitely one of my favourite scents ever. Like, I go crazy on Boxing Day with their Christmas collection. So this is just my last little collection. This one's actually my last Christmas bath bomb from last year, so I need to use that one up because I know that it's definitely getting time for me to have to use them all up. But yeah, I love that one. Okay, so just over here I have my jewellery box, and on top of there I just have my mirror. This jewellery box is actually from the range, and this mirror is from Boots, and this is one of my candles from Bath and Body Works, but I'm not sure what that collection was called. This one is blueberry maple pancakes, and it smells like pancakes. Very sickly, so if you don't like sickly scents, you won't like it, i.e. Ayse. But yeah, and then in this corner I just have this plant. I love this so much. I picked this up from B&M, and I'm pretty sure this was so cheap, maybe $19.99. And the basket for it I just picked up from IKEA. Okay, so my mirror is from the range. I've had this for years now. I love it so much. I'm pretty sure they do have this in there still. I always see it in there. They have it in different colours as well. I love this so much, and I remember it being so affordable. I literally think it was like £30. I don't even remember, I just know I remember it was so cheap. But yeah, I love this. So this is my candle from Bath and Body Works, and this smells so nice. I wouldn't say it's hugely a Christmas scent, but I love it, and it's so clean and fresh smelling. Alexa, play Christmas music.
Okay, here's a station you might like. Christmas music on Amazon Music.
So that is my Christmas room tour. I'm obsessed, and I absolutely love this bedding. We are obsessed with this. If you're wondering where this jumper's from, both of our jumpers are from Primark, the men's section, and my PJ bottoms are also from Primark, the same with Ayse's as well. Okay, so that was our Christmas home tour. We really hope you enjoyed it. Obviously it'll get a little bit more Christmassy as the month goes on, but this is what we've done at the moment. If anything changes, we'll let you know. But we really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please smash it a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!